Finally, hi guys, it's Babul here from the Bengali Cook. Guys, when I'm not in the kitchen, I'm actually in here working. So I did say I'll do a video introducing myself and you guys could put a face to the voice on the channel. Firstly, thank you so much for all your support, encouragement, comments, all of that sort of good stuff over the last couple of years. So this is me, the Bengali Cook. So I'm at the office today. I thought it's a perfect place to do the video. So when I'm not in the kitchen cooking at home now, I'm actually here working. I work as a mortgage advisor. So if you need any help on that, give us a shout. I'll put some links below. So guys, what have I been up to, really? I guess I've been up to, well, you know, the mortgage market's gone crazy at the moment, so that's kept me busy. Family life-wise, guys, we've had our second child. So in September, we welcomed our baby girl to the world, and yeah, it's just been busy. She's going to be busy, lovely. So I've got a boy and a girl. And sometimes you probably hear them screaming, crying in the background of the videos, but hey, you can't be helped, right? Other than that, guys, so a bit about me, I guess. I started having a passion for cooking, like just generally at home, watching my mum cook and helping her. My father was a chef as well, so I guess it's in the genes. And I don't currently work at the Indian restaurants anymore because I'm here. And the reason I got out of it is after working there for many years, I looked at the lifestyle I was given. It's like long hours. You're working, some days you work, some majority of restaurants, you might do 2 shifts. So you do like a lunch hour shift and an evening shift. And the lifestyle just, eventually I wanted more. I wanted a better lifestyle. But I've still got my passion for cooking, and hence why I started the channel. Some of the restaurants and things, someone mentioned that they would like to know some of the restaurants that I've worked in. So I've worked in Bristol. We used to have our own restaurant back in the day. That's a family restaurant back in the early 90s or to mid 90s. Mid 90s. So I was living from Birmingham. So we used to live in Birmingham. And during that time, I used to, for the weekends, I used to say Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I used to spend in Bristol working in at our restaurant, just helping. And that's how I sort of like gained the experience, the knowledge. And my eldest brother was a head chef there, so I picked up a lot of my skills from him. So we're going backwards and forwards to Birmingham to Bristol, and then eventually we moved to Bristol. After working in our family restaurant, I decided to venture out and try different other restaurants just to get more experience, more exposure, more networking, and just to see how other people do, their curries, their style of curries, the way of running a business, as that's what I wanted to get into. So over the years I've worked for a few of the restaurants, and then gradually started to work as a chef, as a head chef in a place called in Bedminster. It's a little takeaway called Curry Centre. So I did that. I worked in Bombay Spice, which is a very busy place in Clifton Village back in the day. It's no longer there. The owners have moved on. They've got another place now. But yeah, guys, I hope. Yeah, so now when you hear me on the video talking over the curries, this is me. But yeah, just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart, guys. It's been a couple of years I've been uploading recipes for you guys, to help you guys cook. Well, the whole purpose of it was to help you cook better or more like nice Indian curries at home, and how it's cooked at the restaurants as well as home cooking style. Especially with like the cost of living and so forth, guys. Takeaways, restaurants prices are just like, they're very expensive. As we know, you can cook, these delicious curries that you want at home for a fraction of the price. So please continue to follow the recipes, save yourself the money. But of course, don't you treat yourself every now and again, that's what we work hard for. Back into the the swing of things, uploading videos regularly and so forth. But I have got over 100 plus recipes on there, guys, so feel free to go through them and obviously check them out. There's lots of amazing recipes there for you guys, so I will continue to upload videos for you. I know I'll try to do every week, but don't hold me to it. So I will do my recipes for you guys and get that going regularly. Other than that, guys, other than that, professionally, As I work as a mortgage broker, so residential mortgages, remortgage, buy to let, all of that sort of field is within my remit. So if you guys are in the UK and you need help or you want some advice, feel free to drop me a message. I'll leave a link below. And obviously I can help you with those things. Please keep promoting the channel, share with your friends, family, share it on your Instagram, your Facebook. That will really help to blow up the channel. You know, it's been a couple of years. We're sort of getting there. We're over 5,000, 5,500 subscribers. Big thumbs up, so thank you. It'd be lovely just for the channel just to blow up. That'd be great. And then that will give me more time to obviously, you know, to do more regular recipes, as I will need to spend more time in here, right? I can do more recipes for you. Right, having said that, guys, lots of love. Thank you again, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video.